Hello, rising parents. My name is Edna.
And I'm Tim. We are here to help make parenting more enjoyable for you.
As some of you may already know, Tim and I have worked professionally with children and their families for over 20 years, and we love sharing our journey and experience with viewers like you. Today's video will be from Tim. So, Tim, what do you have for us today?
Well, Edna, I have a very helpful video for our viewers today. So let's get started. Thanksgiving is a time when families come together to celebrate with food, friends, and fun. One way to help children get in the spirit of the holiday while staying at home is to explore some Thanksgiving-themed activities that are both fun and educational. In this video, we will give you 18 fun activity ideas that will keep your children occupied while giving them the chance to show off their creativity this holiday season. And, as always, be sure to watch to the end, because I will share our Grade 8 from Amazon at the end of this video. Today's Grade 8 will help you keep your kids busy and in the holiday spirit this Thanksgiving. So, without further ado, let's get started. Thanksgiving activities for kids. 1. Thanksgiving Nature Walk. Why not take advantage of a beautiful Thanksgiving day to get some quality family time out in the fresh air? Take the kids on a nature walk before dinner and collect leaves, pine cones, acorns, and other fall treasures. 2. Outdoor games for kids. It's always more fun to play games in the sun. Kids of all ages can engage in a wide range of outdoor games such as red light, green light, duck, duck, goose, tag, and the turkey trot. 3. Make a colorful leaf suncatcher. Make a colorful leaf suncatcher for the window. Kids can get creative with this one. I'll list a great suncatcher craft kit in our Grade 8 at the end of this video. 4. Make turkey-shaped cookies for the family. Turkey-shaped cookies are always popular with kids and adults alike. They can be made with or without icing. The cookies and icing can be made from a box mix, or you can make it from scratch. 5. Create an easy paper plate pumpkin. This DIY pumpkin is a great activity for the kids and a great project to do together. A paper plate pumpkin is super easy to make, and kids will love decorating it. 6. Thanksgiving coloring pages. Thanksgiving coloring pages are a great activity for kids to do on the table right before dinner. You can print the coloring pages off your computer and then have the kids use a variety of markers to color them in. 7. Make thankful hands. Kids can easily make these Thanksgiving thankful hands. They are made from cardboard and pipe cleaners. They are simple to make, and kids can easily make a different thank you hand for each person at the table. 8. Board games. Board games can be a great way to get in some family bonding and quality time. Try to play a board game you've never played before with your kids. It's a fun family activity. In order to get the most mileage from your board games this Thanksgiving, plan ahead and make sure that you have the games that you want ready to go. 9. Read Thanksgiving books together. Read a book to your family around the Thanksgiving dinner table. It's a great way to spend the night together. You can read the book and then discuss it in the morning. 10. Craft a Thanksgiving headband. Inspired by the Native Americans who made the first Thanksgiving possible. Make a Thanksgiving headband with your child that they can wear around their head to symbolize the spirit of Thanksgiving. 11. Make a Pilgrim Hat. This is a great craft for kids and adults alike. It's a super easy craft to do and is great for Thanksgiving. 12. Make a Thanksgiving table setting. This is a great DIY project for the kids and a great project to do together. The kids will love decorating this table setting. 13. Make a Thanksgiving placemat. This is a great project for everyone in the family. Kids and adults will enjoy this activity. The placemat can be personalized with the kids' names and a special message. 14. Make a cornucopia. This is a great DIY project for the kids and a great project to do together. The kids can make this craft together and will have fun decorating this project. 12. Turkey shapes. Have each child draw or paint their favorite turkey shape on construction paper. Hang all the art on the wall to create an interactive art piece for guests to enjoy. Get out some scrap paper and crayons, and your children will be entertained for hours. 16. Play Thanksgiving bingo. The holidays are a great time for playing bingo. Of course, the kids can play with their own paper, but the fun of bingo is to play with friends. It is a great family game and fun way to spend time together. I'll list this great Thanksgiving bingo game in our grade 8 at the end of this video. 17. Make candy corn art. For an easy craft for kids of all ages, make candy corn art. Your children can decorate construction paper, paper plates or mini donuts with candy corn. 18. Make a handprint turkey. This child craft Thanksgiving tradition is always lots of fun. Each child can make a handprint turkey and draw a face on it. Now let's take a look at our grade 8 from Amazon. Today's grade 8 will help you keep your kids busy and in the holiday spirit this Thanksgiving. 1. 80 pieces Thanksgiving rainbow scratch art. These Thanksgiving paper crafts are made of cardstock, which is safe and durable. Just choose the shape you like, then hold the stick and gently scrape out the patterns, then use the ribbon to hang them wherever you want. 2. Pinecone Turkey Craft Kit. Pinecone Turkey Craft Kit includes foam pieces. All craft kit pieces are pre-packaged for individual use. Kits include instructions and extra pieces. Natural pinecone size and color may vary. Recommended for ages 5 and up. 3. 12 sets Pumpkin Fall Leaf Wreath Craft Kit. This craft wreath kit for kids makes a lovely, unique, and fun wreath that you can add to your seasonal home decor for some fall flair. 4. 24 sets Fall Leaf Suncatchers. Whether completed in the classroom or at home, let their creativity shine as bright as the sun. The sun's rays bring light to kids' creativity with these fall leaf suncatchers. They can inspire your child's creativity, practice their motor skill, hand-eye coordination, visual analysis, communication and social skills. 5. Airmian 2-pack Fall Tree of Thanks Craft Kit. This is a fun activity for kids to learn about the season. When fall is over, you could roll it up and pack it away for next year. 6. Thanksgiving Art and Craft Kit. This craft kit set includes 3D family tree, turkey door sign, 2 Thanksgiving characters, Thanksgiving photo frame, and cornucopia. 7. Fantasyland Thanksgiving Bingo Game. Thanksgiving Bingo Game cards features fall design, including turkey, leaves, pumpkin, scarecrow and more. 8. Turkey Necklace Craft Kit. This beaded turkey necklace craft kit is fun to make and wear for Thanksgiving. Includes self-adhesive foam and plastic beads. All craft kit pieces are pre-packaged for individual and include extra pieces. This craft kit is for ages 8 and up. I will put the Amazon product links to these grade 8 in this video description below. All our Amazon product links in this video description will take you straight to the official Amazon website and will never increase the price of the product you choose to purchase. Just click on the Amazon product link you choose from this video description below and add it to your Amazon shopping cart just before you proceed to checkout. Every purchase you make through our Amazon product links helps fund our charity, selflessoutreach.org. So, turn your next Amazon order into a charitable contribution at no additional cost to you. Thank you for your support. This concludes Thanksgiving activities for kids. There are many ways to celebrate the holidays with your loved ones this year. The activities mentioned in this video are just some of the activities you can involve your kids in this holiday season. Encourage your child to be imaginative and have fun while also teaching them about holidays in their culture. As always, please give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Also, support this channel by trying at least one of our Grade 8 from Amazon. Thank you for watching and happy holidays.